Hello class. Today's science lesson is lesson 126 and you will find it on page 304. First, we're going to review yesterday's lesson and we talked about the different parts of the tooth. Um, First, we have the pole, which is inside of the tooth. We have the dentin, that is the skeleton part of your tooth and it gives it the shape. You have the enamel, which is the white covering on the outside. The top that you see is your crown, and the part underneath your gums is your root. And then on the bottom, you have your jawbone, which is where your roots are attached to, and there you also find blood vessels. So those are the different parts of your tooth. Today's lesson is on page 304, and we're going to be talking about the digestive system. God is our wonderful creator, and when He created us, He thought of a perfect design, and our body is perfectly designed to do all of its functions. One of those functions is the digestive system. God created the digestive system for us to break down all of the material that we eat and convert that into energy. And the stuff that we don't need, that stuff is called waste and is eliminated. When we talk about the digestive system or the process of it, it starts in your mouth. And chewing is essential for your digestive system. The more you chew, the better your digestive system will be because you're helping your stomach break that food into tinier particles, into tinier pieces, and that way your stomach could digest it easier. So after chewing in your mouth, it goes down your trachea. And next to your trachea, we also have what is called a windpipe, right? There are two separate pipes. They are not the same. One is for breathing, one is for eating. And if it so happens that you're eating too fast and something might go down your windpipe, the result of this is that you choke. Okay? So we need to eat slowly and chew. So the food goes down your esophagus into your stomach. In your stomach, you have digestive juices, and those juices it's acid. It burns actually. If you have ever had acid reflux, you could feel that burn in your stomach, right? A lot of older people have that. So the food goes into your stomach, and there your stomach starts moving, and it breaks that even further. The lining of your stomach was designed in a way that it can absorb the nutrients of those foods that are breaking down. The stuff that our body does not need is called waste, and that is eliminated through our intestines, which is the last part of the digestive system. So let's review. Your digestive system starts in your mouth by chewing. We need to chew. Then it goes down your esophagus, not your windpipe, into your stomach, and then through your intestines. Very well. I need you to complete the reading and the comprehension check that is on page 307. There is also a science experiment that you can do with lemon soda and crackers. You take some lemon soda and pour it inside of a Ziploc bag, and then you put the saltine crackers in there, and you start shaking the bag, and this is simulating what your stomach does and how your stomach breaks down your food that you eat. So that's a science experiment that you could do at home. with your parents, of course, always with an adult, and you can do your reading and comprehension. See you tomorrow.